Hey everyone, we know that temperature change is the biggest problem all over the world. Not even you, not even me. We all are facing the problem of temperature change. But have you discovered why and what can we do for that temperature change? So let's discuss collision and activities of temperature change further. This is Janvi and we, the optimizer group, will be presenting the temperature change for Canada. So basically, what is temperature change? So temperature change is a process where the temperature takes a rise or a high, or it becomes too much cold. So here's some confusion. Some people have a confusion that temperature change is only the temperature rising. But no, the temperature can be high, that is too much hot, and it can be too much cold. Too much cold is also not good for people staying there, not even people, humans, animals, trees, everything is getting damaged for temperature change. And that is not good. So, what are the causes of temperature change? So, temperature change depends on how much energy the Earth's getting and how much it's leaving from the planet. So basically, if some energy is coming to the planet and the same energy is not leaving, there's a problem. Sometimes the energy comes too much and it goes very less from the Earth. And this can increase the temperature change. Human activities. Human activities are seen to be the major reason for temperature change. People migrate from hot, like sometimes they don't want the hot temperatures, so they migrate to the cold ones. That affects the cold temperature or the hot ones. So human activities can play a major role. Shrinking ice sheets and snow covers. That is the reason why it's getting more cold. The ice sheets are shrinking. Global temperature rise, that is a global warming. And as we all know, global warming is a major issue right now. We all are facing for that. So this is some basic visualization done by me and my group. That is the temperature change of 7 continents all over the world. So it's basically the whole world divided into this 7 continents, just to observe that majorly which part needs a focus. So we observed here that the green color, that is from Europe, the temperature is getting really high. It's getting a more temperature change. You can see where it is in 1961 and where is it in 2019. There is a vast change. Not even this green color. You can observe this purple one too. That is North America. So basically we can say that Europe and North America are having a temperature change really high. All of the continents is having a temperature change, but majorly Europe and North America is getting a high temperature. We can say that because like all of the major countries are getting high, but it's in a very little manner. It's getting like 0.4 to 5, not more than that. But you can observe Europe and North America is increasing their temperature by 1 to 1.5 degrees Celsius every year. So here, a question comes to your mind. Why is this change happening? Obviously, it is the major reason why the temperature is getting done. So we made some research here that why is this temperature change happening? So we observed that Europe is getting warmer and warmer as year passes, and North America is getting colder and colder as the year passes. Both of them having the same problem, that is temperature change, but in a different manner. One is getting warmer and one is getting colder. So why is this change happening? So basically for Europe, we made a research that European countries have a major greenhouse gas effects on the temperature. They have a lot of factories that are excluding the natural gases from them, and maybe this can be a major reason why Europe is getting a temperature change. This can be the major reason. Obviously the human activities are there, but still the greenhouse gases emission is or can be a reason why Europe is getting a temperature change. Let's move to North America. So polar vortex. Have you guys heard about a polar vortex before? So basically, what is polar vortex? Polar vortex is there is a temperature change near the poles. So North America is facing a polar vortex. So basically North America can have as a major reason that it's getting colder because of the polar vortex. The poles of the North America are getting colder and colder. But we have a but here. North America's major change is because of humans. Humans burn too much fossil fuels in the area that the temperature is damaging, and that's why the temperature change is happening. So basically North America is facing two problems. One is the polar vortex and second is the fossil fuels. And one can be considered as a natural change and the other can be considered as a human change. So North America is in a danger. So these are the top 10 countries which are facing the problem of temperature change at the peak. From past 58 years, these are the countries which are facing a major problem of temperature change to the highest. So we can observe that among these countries, most of the countries are from Europe. If we take Greenland or Armenia or Finland, Poland, all of these countries are from Europe. These are European countries. In North America, we have Canada here. So we would like to focus on Canada for our further temperature change because Canada can affect us. We stay here, so. And how we can resolve the issues from Canada can help maybe the temperature change or something, or maybe can make you guys aware that where you live there should be a great temperature, right? Where you live may affect you. So let's discuss about Canada and its temperature change further.
This line graph represents the temperature change of Canada from year 1961 to 2019, and it's been clearly observed that it's increasing each year from 1961 to 2019. Now, in year 1972, we all can see that the temperature was decreased too much, and in year 2011 the temperature change was very highest. the world is getting warmer. Thermometer readings around the world have been rising since the Industrial Revolution, and the causes are blend of human activity and some natural variability. Now, this graph shows the Canada temperature change from 1961 to 2019. We can clearly see that before year 1991 the temperature was not same. It's not only increasing or decreasing. Sometimes it increase and sometimes it's decrease. But after year 1991 the temperature each year has been increased. Now we will have a lot of questions like why the temperature is so much different each year. We should all worry why the temperature is increased a lot. Now this is the line graph, and in this graph we have take year 2018 and 2019 temperature of Canada, and now we can observe in the plot that the temperature change of 2018 and 19, from which we can say that each year in Canada get an increase of temperature of 1 degree Celsius to 1.5 degrees Celsius. This graph describes what is the temperature difference between 2 years. This will help us to get the digits how much the temperature is changing, and will also help to think what should be done to save the world